Watch it all be done now.
Knock your ass out, bro. Keep your feelings at home next time, bro. Don't get too technical, bro. Put you on your period, bro. Look, what you need? You need a tampon?
What's up, bitch?
You need a ride?
Hi.
Come here. Bring it in.
Oh, man. Man, don't make me, bro.
Damn, now you mentioned shit. My muscle hurt.
White girls come out the house with no damn shoes.
Squeeze, nigga. Right back, man. Man, you massage my shit, dog. That shit feel good. Damn, bitch. You been practicing?
That
That shit feel good, dog. When you feel green now, you orange.
Ever.
Shut down, bitch. Shut down. Give me your hat telling you. That's that sad limited edition. Shut down in green.
In green.
Fuck with you, bro. Fuck with you, bro.
Puerto Rico.
Boricua.
Yeah, you changed some shit.
Shit, what the fuck is this, bro? What is that? What is that, bro?
Big ass earring. You got
Just said, pierce me twice. Where's my shining at? Just said, shine the light over here, let my shit shine. Show you how much.
Smell. Don't touch me.
So you gotta smell like.
You would never spell Dr. Mama. Never in your life.
Go that way.
Just said,
that way.
bro.
Your ass.
Come on.
There you hiding behind me.
Look at your Slim Shady glasses and shit, bro. This shit look like aliens.
Oh, there you go.
Fuck. I'm not.
There it goes.
White. Oh, yeah, Kel. Yeah. Ooh, he knocked your out.
No, my shit
Make a way over here.
What?
Bro, which one you want to hold? The left or the right?
Come on, which one you want? I got both of them for you.
Mama.
Look, see?
Bro, lift your chin up. Lift your chin up.
It's right there, nigga. Get it.
Lift your chin up. Who that?
Right
Why are you worried about your surroundings?
One box, nigga.
Go right there, Chris. Go.
Get his ass. Get his ass.
I ain't stupid. Y'all be fucked. Man, I don't know why I'm fucking with y'all, bro. Y'all make me sweaty, bro.
Look, bro. One star right here. One star.
Oh shit, you about to get jumped. By the roaches, bro.
One star, bitch.
Get it.
Get out your shoes, bro.
That's what Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer get mad.
Rudolph's turning red, bro. You want carrots, bro?
Get it where you fit in, punk.
Get out your soul, bro.
He talk about getting where he fit in. Look, I got to squeeze his ass in that shirt.
Hey, squeeze these cheeks, bro.
And
Like my video, subscribe to me, Nana Marie. You know it.
or not.
Mine's first. Mine is bigger.
Maybe not.
Mine is bigger. It can go double too. Which one you like?
Open your mouth. Open your mouth, bitch.
Open your chin, bro. I'm gonna slap these nuts on your forehead.
Is that
bitch.
Dylan that just came out of the fucking woodworks or the trash can? I just see the white. Now, like my video and subscribe. Nana Marie.